Hypermetropia, farsightedness. That is, we can observe objects at long distances, but we fail to observe the objects clearly at shortest distance. Here the eye observing the object at long distance. In this situation, ciliary muscles get relaxed. Then the focal length would be 2.5 centimeters. An image forms here. But this eye has a defect. Here the object at least distance vision, that is near the L. To get the image, the lens should change its focal length from 2.5 to 2.27 centimeters, but it's unable to change its focal length. So image forms here. So we can't see the object clearly. This defect is called as hypermetropia. To solve this problem, we have to find out the near point H. Now keep object at H, then you will find a clear image. Now keep object beyond H, you will find a clear image. That means by keeping an object at H or away from the H, you will get a clear image. We can correct the hypermetropia by using a biconvex lens. Object at L or in between L and H, the image forms at H. This lens forms the image at H. Then eye lens takes this image as object, then it forms clear image at retina. Myopia, nearsightedness. Here the object at L and it formed clear image at retina. Here the focal length of the eye lens is 2.27 centimeters. But the eye has a defect. But it fails to form an image at object at long distance. Here the object at long distance. To form a correct image, the eye lens should change its focal length from 2.27 to 2.5 centimeters. But it is a defected eye. It can't change its focal length from 2.27 to 2.5 centimeters. So it's try to form an image here. It can't form image at retina. So it is blurred. This defect is called as myopia. Even object is here, it can't form image. To correct myopia, we need to find far point, which is M. If you keep object at M, that is far point, you will get a clear image. You may keep object between L and M also. You can get a clear image. So to see the objects at long distance, we have to use a biconcave lens. It keeps the image of the object at M. Then eye lens takes this image as object and forms clear image here. In this way we can correct myopia.